spiny it is?
Yeah.
So any spot, it'll do trick you up track wise. But there, if you put a tire in the center of that tread, it should walk right up. Stay wrong. So then it's walk here, and it clears to go over here. Correct. This one here, you look at this, like the tires on that and that. That's why there's trouble. This whole spot wasn't on here. I'm going to throw a couple rocks up. We put a few rocks and then put the boards on top.
All right. That's what I was going to ask.
Yep.
You just build yourself a little...
Yep. Build yourself a little bridge. All it is trying to get height.
Any size?
Any size. The flatter ones kind of stay put more.
There you go. Now we're building ourselves a path up.
But if it's this or from the vehicle?
No, I was just sending something to my friends. Like my wife and the guy we go out with, and our families and whatever. He's like, "You're crazy."
So this is good enough here.
To that side?
Yep, so now we got to do that side. So basically in that little hole over there, you want your tire on this, but you're going to put your tire in that notch. But we have to raise it up enough that this clears your undercarriage right here.
So all this is, these
Pretty much
blocks up through here.
Fill that hole in right there. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're using the board also. Okay. So now lay the boards right on top of that.
On top of them?
Yep. Yeah, because then they're double thickness.
So,
just like that. Like that. Nope. So now do you think that'll clear your undercarriage with your tire there?
I would say no, but I think you're going to say yes.
Well, if you're worried about it, let's throw a couple more in.
Throw a couple more in.
Yep.
I don't want anything bad to happen.
We're here.
I love my Jeep.
Here, coming at you.
All right.
One more.
Yep, go ahead right in there. That should do it.
Yeah, and then put those boards on there. I'd slide them up a little bit more.
Yep.
And put them,
they got this.
put them right in the notch there, the boards.
Oh, here?
Yep.
All right.
Perfect. Take a look. Did it feel like the undercarriage hit?
I don't think so.
Yep, lower control arm, passenger side.
It's hit?
Yep. You want to come back and take a look? And the reason why, it wasn't your fault, but the front tires kicked out the boards. Look at your lower control arm on this side. See it touching the rock?
Oh, yeah.
So what we have to do now is back you up. We want to leave the front end up. We want to back you up to the front edge right at the edge.
Of this rock?
Of that rock right there, yep.
The one that's hung up on, or the one, okay.
The one that's hung up on, back you up to the edge. I'll re-put the boards and the rocks in, then drive forward again.
Okay. All right.
So just the way you are, come straight back when you get in. Straight back. A little more. Okay, hold right there. Okay, now slightly to the driver's side. Slightly driver. A little more. A little more. A little more. Okay, now nice roll through. Okay, hold. You had it, but because you were a little like light on the throttle, the traction control didn't kick in on the passenger side. So you had a dead tire over here, driver's side was spinning, and then when this tire kicked in, it just kicked them out. So back up again. Keep coming. Hold. Okay, back up another 6 inches. Right there. Turn driver. Right there. Now, like you're pulling out in heavy traffic to go 4 feet. Give it a little gas to go forward 4 feet. When you're up, then let off and start driving gently. No. This tire's not kicking in. Okay, so what we're gonna do this time is the locker. Back up. This, because your traction control is not kicking in fast enough. So basically what it's doing is just kicking the boards out when it turns on. Rear locker.
Push down on my rear locker.
Yep. Light on.
Light blinking.
A little bit more gas when you first go. More gas to go 4 feet, then let off. Okay, ready?